In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Notion, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or someone just getting started, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to set up a functional calendar in your workspace. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. This is the hub where all your documents, projects, and databases live. If you're not already logged into Notion, this is a good time to take care of that. Simply click on the Login button on the Notion homepage. You can use your email and password or log in with Google for a quick setup. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you should navigate to your Notion home. This is your central dashboard within Notion, where all your pages and databases are easily accessible. The next step is to select a page where you'd like your calendar to reside. Click on the page that best suits your needs. If you don't have a suitable page yet, you can always create a new one. Just make sure you're in a place within Notion where you have the freedom to edit and add new blocks. Now, here comes the exciting part. To create the calendar, you'll be using Notion's powerful block features. Type in Calendar directly on the page you've selected. This will trigger Notion's built-in command line, which provides access to their vast array of templates and blocks. The Calendar command will prompt Notion to create a calendar view for you. Once you've entered a calendar, you'll see a new calendar block added to your page. From here, you can customize it to fit your needs. You can start adding events, deadlines, or any other important dates with ease. Notion offers a straightforward interface to input all necessary details for each calendar entry. Remember, calendars in Notion are versatile tools. They're linked to databases, which means you can seamlessly integrate them with other Notion pages and databases. You have the freedom to filter views, set reminders, and sync with other tools to streamline your workflow. As a tip, consider experimenting with views and properties to get the most out of your calendar setup. Notion allows you to customize how data is displayed, which can make a world of difference in how you manage your time and projects. And there you have it. A simple and easy way to create a calendar in Notion. With these steps, you'll be able to organize your tasks, projects, and schedules like a pro. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it inspires you to explore more of Notion's capabilities. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy organizing!